After calculating number of days stayed during the previous year, now we have to verify his status. For verifying whether his status is a resident or non-resident, first thing is you have to verify the given two basic condition. Now condition number 1 is what? That he been stayed in India for 182 or more days during the previous year 1617, right? Here we have already calculated his stay in India, and it is how much? 274 days. So stay in India from 1st July to 31st March is 274 days. So whether he satisfy the condition 1 or not? Yes, he satisfy the condition 1. Condition 2 is what? Condition 2 for becoming a resident is what? Has he stay in India for 182 or more days during the previous year and 365 or more days during the 4 year preceding previous year. પ્રીવિયસ યરથી પાછલા 4 યરમાં ઇન્ડિયામાં 365 ડેઝ અને પ્રીવિયસ યરમાં 182 or more days તો છે? No, he does not satisfy this point because his stay in India during previous year is no doubt 182 or more, but during the 4 year preceding previous year is not 365 or more, so he does not satisfy the condition number 2. Here we required only condition 1. Condition 2 is not being satisfied, so for becoming a resident of India, either condition 1 or condition 2, any one is necessary. In our case, condition 1 is being fulfilled. So Mr. Mehta is Indian resident, right? See the paragraph here we have written, as he satisfy one of the two basic condition, he will be treated as a resident. In case of a resident, here we have to look to other two condition, additional condition for determining his final status. Now here we have to see that whether he is a ordinary resident or not ordinary resident, that we have to verify. That is additional two condition. Now for that additional two condition, condition 1 is what? That he was in India, he was a resident of India for 2 year out of 10 year preceding previous year. But in a question it is already mentioned that he visited India after 15 year. He resides in USA. So he was neither resident for a minimum 2 year out of 10 year, nor did he stay in India for 730 or more days, because he visited in India after 15 year. 15 વર્ષમાં પહેલી જ વાર ઇન્ડિયામાં આવ્યો, બાકી યુએસએ જ રહે છે. તો પાછલા 10માંથી 2 યરમાં ઇન્ડિયાનું સ્ટેટસ ના જ હોય. ઓલ્સો 7 યરમાંથી 730 ડેઝ ઇન્ડિયામાં ન જ હોય, right? So he does not satisfy any of the additional condition. So he satisfy only basic condition, and from basic condition you come to know that he is a resident of India. So therefore his final status for previous year 1617 is that of resident. Resident તો છે જ, કારણ કે બેમાંથી એક થઈ ગઈ, but not ordinary resident. This is the answer, and you have to write in this way. Thank you.